Indri. How are you, Indri?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
Yes, I think I'm really well prepared, but even I still a little bit confused because I just have at least 4 days for preparing, but I feel okay. Tomorrow I will teach mutola'ah. I have a little plan for tomorrow. So I have prepared my text for teaching. This noon maybe I will prepare from first till the last teaching. Then tonight I will meet my supervisor for asking something that I can understand, and well, at night I will repeat what I have studied for teaching. For tomorrow I will ready.
Alright.
And I wish I'm not confused when I perform in front of all the students, and I wish I can make them understand what I say, what I teach.
Alright. What is your suggestion to your friends who will be the second or the third performer after you?
Okay, I wish my friend will take the good example from me and will be the better teacher next for the students, and will perform more amazing than me.
You want to say something?
Okay, everyone, pray for me. Wish me luck tomorrow.
Alright.